Okay, this is the install part 3. My baby outside the truck. Man, it's been a while since I've seen her outside the truck. Man. So we gonna clean her all up, wipe her all down. Joey from Clark's Industrial, he put this new heater boiler. I have a propane boiler heater from Farley out there. I think is it Missouri. That's a real boiler. That's how I heat my water, and of course I use propane. And there's my blower there, and my chemical hose to mix the chemical in my unit there. Let me see if JT comes so he can come wipe this all down, and we clean her up. We're going to change the belts, hoses. Going to weld the frame a little bit. You don't understand that when your truck mount is inside of your unit or your truck, little things happen over time, like this little bit of frame damage. See, that's why I told you to give Clark's Industrial a call, cause see, like he's getting ready to weld this and make sure everything is right before we reinstall it in the new Sprinter over there. That's right. Yeah, sun's too shut. But we're gonna ready to put it. We took it out of the box truck here, but now we're getting ready to install it into the new Sprinter. Now, I want you to see when we're done. I'm going to hang my hose reels upside down in my truck. I'm not going to bind it to the floor of my truck like most of you guys do. I'm going to do the opposite. I don't want to drill holes in the floor of my truck. I'm going to hang it in the top of my truck, and I'm going to reel and unreel my hoses that way. So stay tuned for part 4 and 5 of how this install is going. But right now, we're getting ready to do a little bit of welding on the frame, put some new pipes on here. Remember, this is 3 years old, so all this stuff has never been touched, never been pulled out the truck. So we're going to replace the vacuum hose that goes to the blower. We're going to replace some things while we're reinstalling. And you guys have the pleasure of watching this happen right here at Clark's Industrial in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Not John Don's, not Interlink. This is an industrial supply place. They fix all types of trucks and equipment, pressure washers. So you got to get in bed with some of these people, ladies and gentlemen. You don't give John Don's and Interlink all your money, or if they can't fix it, you're out of business. No, it doesn't work like that. You got, like these guys, I don't have to wait in line. I came in this morning at 8 o'clock. It's going on 3 o'clock, and they're installing my truck mount in the same day. And I'm not paying $1,000 or nothing like that. But anyway, just thought I would share. Stay tuned to the next installment of installing the install. And this is Clark's Industrial. You need to give them a call. Where's their... I was trying to see if they had a... Oh, here it is. I want you guys over here in Pennsylvania to know that there is somebody else that can help you besides John Don's and Interlink Supply. That's the phone number right there. Ask for Dave or Joey. They do amazing work. They can help you, and they can help you make money today. Thank you.